Hello everyone, welcome to all. In this present session, today we will study some important points related to current affair. This episode will be helpful for your upcoming examination. So let's start now and focus on these points. The first is Kerala has set up to become Har Ghar Jal state by which year? The answer is 2024. The next is which of the following states unit has launched an Ayurvedic doctors on call service? The answer is Gujarat. The next one, which country inaugurated a small hydropower plant at the Chandannath municipality in Jumla district with Indian assistant? The answer is Nepal. The next one, Rupsi Airport has commenced operation in which state? The answer is Assam. The next one, the HAL demonstrated with which advanced light helicopter its deck operation capabilities. The answer is Dhruv. The next one, who among the following has launched an official mobile application for the journalists to cover the proceeding of the apex court? The answer is N.V. Raman. The next one, which organization has launched a new mobile application for the psycho-social wellness of the students and parents? The answer is CBSC. The next one, as per the Union Minister Nitin Gadkari, how many pressure swing adoptions PSA medical oxygen plants will be installed in various states? The answer is 581. The next one, the government allowed hospitals, dispensaries, and COVID 19 care centers to accept cash payments above how much amount from patients or their kins till May 31? The answer is 2 lakh rupees. The next one, who has been appointed as the Chief Minister of Union Territory of Pondicherry? The answer is N. Rangaswamy. You may learn these points for your examination. The next one, which state government has launched the dedicated COVID-19 Mukhyamantri Seva Sankalp Helpline 1100? The answer is Himachal Pradesh. The next one, who among the following former director of CBI passed away at Chennai? The answer is Rohithaman. The next one, 13, who among the following has appointed Suzuki Motorcycle India Private Limited SMIPL as the company head? The answer is Satoshi Uchudi. Next one, the Gopabandhu Sambandhika Sevasthya Bima Yojana has been launched by which state? The answer is Odisha. The next one, what is the capital of Israel? Answer is Jerusalem. Next one, who is appointed as new PM of Nepal? The answer is KP Sharma Oli. The next one, who has launched E2025 initiative? The answer is World Health Organization, that means WHO. The next one, which of the state following organization won the Green Ujala Award? The answer is IREDA. The next one, 3 Yojan 30 satellites launched by? The answer is China. The next one, Whistle Award 2021 given to Y Nakul Foam. The answer is Y Nakul Foam. Next one, the which holy state of the Muslim is located on the controversial land of Israel and Palestine? The answer is Al Aqsa. The next one, who authored the book All Time Favorites for the Children? The answer is Ruskin Bond. The next one, which company will be establish India third power of exchange? The answer is Prananjala Solution Limited. Next one, who was appointed in May 21 the Under Secretary General of the UN Humanitarian Award? The answer is Marin Griffiths. The last but not least, which state government inaugurated in May 21 a web portal called the CG Tika to facilities ease to registration process for the COVID-19 vaccination? Answer is Chhattisgarh. So these are the points for your upcoming examination. You may remember these points and stay with our channel, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you may get the upcoming videos.